Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how our Spanish online school works. So here we are in our website. So our website address is onlinecoursesmyspanishlesson.co.uk. So as soon as you reach the home page here, if you scroll down, you can see all the details about our courses. Here is the price, it's just 12 American dollars 99 a month for the membership, and then you will have access to all our Spanish courses. It doesn't matter if you are a total beginner or if you are pre-intermediate, intermediate, upper intermediate, advanced, any level. I'll show you now all the courses that we have in our online school. Here, for example, this is our membership plan. Like I said before, $12.99 a month with a 5-day free trial. So you can try the school for 5 days totally free. So before we go to the course, let me show you a little bit more here. So those are all the courses that we have in our school. As you can see, a lot of them. And then here, when you finish every course, you will receive a certificate like this with your name. I did this one as a sample with your name. Like you see here, it says this certificate is awarded to Leodanis Peña, that's me. And then the courses you have done, Spanish course online for beginners part 2, with our signature here. My Spanish lesson online courses, London, United Kingdom. That's where our school is, and all the details. So you will receive this certificate automatically as soon as you finish your course. And then if we go a little bit down here, this is very important. As soon as you sign up for your membership, you have the right to participate in our conversation class every Friday from 7 to 9. So it doesn't matter your level, you can join our conversation class via Zoom. So everyone is welcome. In this conversation class, I normally invite native speakers so that we can practice with them and other Spanish teachers. So that's important to know. You have here some offer that you can get a discount. Here's my description. That's me. I'll be your teacher. Frequently asked questions that you may have. If you want to receive extra information about Spanish class or Spanish extra material that we get, you can leave us your email here, and then we will send you to your email new materials. We will be uploading new courses and new material every week to our website. So if you need to contact us, here you have our details, phone number, email address, WhatsApp, everything. So it's very easy to contact us, guys. So let's go there. Let's go to one of the courses. Let me open one of the courses so that you see how they work. If you click here in my membership, it will take you to the course. I'm going to sign in. Yeah, here I am with my daughter's account, but here you can just, if you click here, you can sign up. Just create an account. It's just your email address and a password that you choose, and then you are here in all our courses. That's all included for you guys. For example, let's open this one, Spanish course online for total beginners part 1. If you click here, it will take you directly to the course as soon as you sign up, of course. Then here, if you scroll down, you can see the course content. Okay, you will here you can see what you're going to learn in this course. For example, Unit 1, La Presentación. Unit 2, Countries and Nationalities in Spanish. Los colores, los números, el verbo tener, etc. So all the information about the course is here. And then, yes, that's it. So let's go directly to my dashboard. If you click in my dashboard, or here in your account, when you sign up, my account, it will open your area, the student area. Will take you there. Exactly here, your profile. Here you can change your password whenever you want. You can see the certificate that you have awarded, any notification, the billing, all the history, everything. Yeah, you have all the details. If you want to change anything, you can upload an image here if you want, a photo of you, so you can see. And then let's go directly to my dashboard to start one of the courses. So here you have all the courses that you can do. So if you start here, if you click in here, then it will take you to the course. You can also see the progress of your course, the percentage you have done in every course. So here we are inside. So here you can see how it works. That's me welcoming you to the course, and then you have all the material here. And if you scroll down, you can read the welcome, and then if you click in complete and continue, it will take you to the first lesson. So it will tell you completed, welcome to the course. So continue. There we go. So we are now in unit 1. It will tell you here what you're going to learn in unit 1, and then you have the video explanation of the lesson here. That's me explaining you all the unit, the lesson. And then here you can have a written lesson, like everything I'm saying is here, guys, so you can follow all the video. And then when you finish doing this, you click in continue, and then it will take you to a quiz to see, just to test that you understand all the lessons. So for example, here we have a conversation. This is Leo. Leo is saying, ¿Cómo te llamas? And then you will reply here, Me llamo Marie. And then if you confirm, it will tell you that is correct. This answer is correct. And then it will confirm here the correct answer for you. The same thing here. You normally have five question or 5 statements to do in the quiz, and that's it. So when you finish the quiz, then it will take you to unit 2. Try to follow the order, because every unit take you to the next one, so it's important that you do it in order. And then when you finish, when you reach here end of the course, you will receive then your certificate. You can download it automatically here, and that's it. So when you finish that course, you can go to the next one, guys. So to your next course. So let's go back to the dashboard. If you click here, go to dashboard, it will take you back to your dashboard, to your course. So here you can continue. When you finish your first course, you can continue to another course. If you have if you are not a total beginner and you want to start with a beginner part 2, you have a course here. Let me see, this one for example. You can start with this one, or if you just want to study grammar or verb tenses, you can click here and start this course. Vocabulary here, conversation, whatever you want to do, guys, you choose. It depends on your level, and that's it. And then every Friday, like I said before, I'll meet you on the conversation class via Zoom, and we can discuss, we can talk, we can practice our Spanish. And if you follow all the advices, if you follow the recommendation, you will be speaking Spanish like a native speaker very soon, guys. So that's all. So you see, it's very, very easy. So sign up today and let's start with our Spanish, guys. See you in unit 1. Take care. Bye bye. Adiós. Hasta luego.